entrepreneurs, welcome to today's live Q&A where I'm here to answer all of your questions about the Master User Academy program. All right. If you are new to Nuts Accounting, hello there. I'm Sharon, and I'm the founder of Nuts Accounting. At Nuts Accounting, we help entrepreneurs and business owners to do bookkeeping like a pro in simple English. And at Nuts Accounting, we strive to help entrepreneurs and business owners to understand about their finances by reading their financial reports like a pro, and everything is presented in simple English for you. Okay, today we are going to talk about our Master User Academy program. For the past 2 weeks, we have been teaching live master classes to teach you how to do bookkeeping, how to confidently do bookkeeping correctly every time, and where you have already learned the 3 most common bookkeeping mistakes and what you should do instead. So in these master classes, we have also introduced our signature program that we have just added into our course. It's a brand new course that we've just added into our offer, which is Master User Academy online course, level 2 online course. And it is specializing in Xero Accounting. So if you do have any questions about joining Master User Academy, just type it in the comments and let me know so that I can help you to clear off all of your doubts and all of your questions that's currently running in your head right now, whether you wanted to join or not to join, all right? Because Master User Academy is closing soon. And this is Master User Academy is closing in 24 hours from now. Yep. Yes, it's going to close at 29th. It's going to close on 29th July, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. So that means in Malaysia time, it's going to close tomorrow, roughly around 1 hour before now. So it's going to close within 23 hours. If you are planning to join Master User Academy, don't wait. This is the last chance for you to join Master User Academy before we close the doors for good. So, not to say close the doors for good until the next intake, all right? This intake that we are currently open for is the August 2021 intake. And in this August 2021 intake, what you will get inside Master User Academy is you will get to learn how to do bookkeeping correctly. Okay, what you will get is actually a 2-in-1 course. How to do bookkeeping and also how to use Xero Accounting. Actually, it's a 3-in-1 plus another one is how to read your financial reports like a pro. So all these 3 different courses is combined into one Master User Academy level 2 online course. And this one online course, I will teach you within the 8+1 modules. I will teach you from the beginning how to set up your Xero Accounting, and then how to record all of your bookkeeping transactions, like your customers, your inventory, your suppliers, and also your bank transactions. All of these I will teach you inside Master User Academy. And then I will teach you how to do your closing for your accounts. So once you have done your bookkeeping, what you need to do is you need to close your accounts to get your accurate monthly financial reports that you can use to make strategic business decisions for your business. Because you need the financial reports to make good business decisions to help your business to grow faster. Without looking at the financial reports, it's very difficult to make a guess about how your business is doing to help you to make the correct decision to grow your business faster. So let me know in the live chat, just type it in the live chat if you have any questions about Master User Academy, what's in the program, what's in there, what you will learn, and also what is the duration of the program, and also any other questions that you have. Just type it in the live chat. And if you are just joining us right now, what we are saying at this moment is Master User Academy is closing soon, and it's closing within the next 23 hours. You only have 23 hours left to join Master User Academy. This is the program for you if you would like to learn how to do bookkeeping like a pro and also how to read your financial reports like a pro. So everything in the course will be presented in simple English, and it will be presented with step-by-step tutorials, just like a recipe. All you need to do is just follow the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, and you will be doing your bookkeeping just like I'm going to help you to do your bookkeeping for you, right? So you are the hands while I am the instruction for you. So let me know in the live chat where you're watching from if you are joining me. And also let me know in the live chat what are your questions about Master User Academy. And Master User Academy is closing in the next 23 hours, and we are going to close for the August intake. When you join Master User Academy now, you'll be joining the August class, which will start on 2nd of August, next Monday. So the course will be preloaded into your course area, your members area, where you will get to learn the course contents by yourself. No matter when you are free, you can learn the course contents. So there's no stress there about attending live courses just like this, right? Because sometimes it's very difficult to adjust our timing and schedule according to the live courses. So what you are going to get is you will get all of the course contents loaded inside of your members area, where you will be able to watch the videos, learn the lessons, and also do the step-by-step tutorials whenever you do your bookkeeping. So when you learn the course contents, what I want you to do is get all of your bookkeeping documents, sit down and open up the course contents and do exactly the step-by-step tutorial to do your own bookkeeping inside of your own accounts. So it's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone, where you'll be able to learn the course and also to go through your own your own bookkeeping contents as well. So I have prepared some of the common questions that I have answered throughout the past week. So I will share this question with you just in case you have the same question. All right. Master User Academy is the first question that I usually get is how long is the duration of Master User Academy? Master User Academy is presented in the span of 10 weeks. So within the span of 10 weeks, you'll be getting the modules, gradually getting the modules week by week. So we have specially designed the course to be presented over 10 weeks, where you will get, once you register, once the course is open to you on 2nd of August, you'll be getting Module 0 and Module 1 courses. So all the lessons for Module 0 and Module 1, you will get immediately on the 2nd of August. And then the subsequent Monday, you'll be getting Module 2. And the subsequent week, you'll be getting Module 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up until Module 8. And in between, we will have 2 implementation weeks where you will get to, this is the 2 weeks where you will get to have a little time to stop and breathe, just in case you are, just in case you might feel that you have been left behind, or you have a few modules to catch up, or maybe you are just too busy with running your business that you do not have time to go through the course. So these 2 weeks is the time for you to stop and breathe and catch up on the lessons if you need to. And maybe if you have a lot of bookkeeping documents piled up for your business, then that's the time that you can start working on your bookkeeping documents and start to implement what you have learned from the course, and implement into your real life world where you'll be doing your bookkeeping onto your accounts. So let me know in the comments in the live chat, what do you think about Master User Academy, and what are the questions that you have about Master User Academy? Just type it in and let me know so that I'll be able to help you answer all of your questions and your doubts. So inside the Master User Academy, although I mentioned that the course will be gradually dripped over 10 weeks, you'll be getting the course gradually over the 10 weeks with 2 implementation weeks in between. But don't worry if by the end of 10 weeks and you still haven't go through the course, don't worry about it, because you will have lifetime access to the course, and you don't need to worry about after the 10 weeks, the course will be disappearing from you. So don't worry about that. You will have lifetime access of the course, and you will be getting all the latest updates. Whenever I update the course, you will be getting the latest version at all times. So that means even if you sign up for the course now and you are just trying to do a little, like maybe just module 1, trying to record your customer invoices only, while maybe next month, maybe it take you 1 month to really fully implement what you've learned, and then you feel comfortable to proceed with the second module, the second module supplier. So it doesn't matter if it takes you 1 month to proceed one module. It doesn't matter, because this course is designed to be your guide whenever you do your bookkeeping. So even if you do your bookkeeping 1 year later, you will still be able to refer to all the step-by-step tutorials inside this course, because I understand that sometimes I do teach some of the lessons inside the course where you might not need it right now, but maybe you will need it in the future. So in the future, when that particular scenario arises, then you'll be able to go back to the course and pull out that particular tutorial, and then do all the step-by-step tutorials, do all the step-by-step according to the instructions, and record your bookkeeping into your own bookkeeping. So this is the design of the program, where you will get to learn exactly how to do bookkeeping by modeling my own bookkeeping process that I've been using for more than a decade now to do my own bookkeeping, and also the bookkeeping for my clients. So what I'm trying to do here in the Master User Academy is I'm getting everything out of my head to write it down in step-by-step tutorials, so that you and also other people who are interested to do bookkeeping, but maybe you do not have the knowledge of how to do bookkeeping, or maybe you do not have the knowledge about accounting. So don't worry about all that, because everything I will teach you in the step-by-step instructions, where you will know exactly what you need to do and how to do it. Everything is presented inside of Master User Academy for you, and all of it is already arranged in sequence. So don't worry about it running away from the sequence, or don't worry about learning a little bit here, a little bit there, because I understand the struggle that you are facing right now, that you are trying to learn accounting and bookkeeping by learning a little bit here, a little bit there, and trying to piece everything together. And also at the same time, you might want to learn about how to use Xero Accounting, and then you want to use what you have learned about accounting and bookkeeping and trying to convert it into something that you can do inside of Xero Accounting. This is tough. This is going to be difficult for you if you do not have accounting or bookkeeping knowledge. Trust me, I understand, because I've been doing that. I've been trying to piece the puzzles together for so many years that now I understand how I can easily implement all of my accounting knowledge into a new cloud accounting system easily, because I've been in this for the past 12 years. So I know exactly how to apply what I've learned into the Xero Accounting or any other new accounting systems that I've learned. I've already learned like over 10 accounting systems so far, from the desktop version to the cloud accounting version. So I've already done all the things for you. So all you need to do is just grab the course Master User Academy, because this is your shortcut to do bookkeeping like a pro, and also to read your financial reports like a pro in just 10 weeks. If you are a high achiever and you like to learn everything as fast as possible so that you can master it fast, then this is the course for you. That you can, if you are really such a high achiever, you can do everything in just 10 weeks and achieve the point where you are the same as me, just like a real bookkeeper. You are doing your bookkeeping just like a bookkeeper by the end of the 10 weeks. Okay, we have a question here. Julieta. All right. Julieta asked, can you help me, please? I don't have a job. Okay, Julieta. First of all, you need to know if you don't have a job, the first question that I would like to ask you is, are you sure that you want to do bookkeeping? Are you sure that you want to be a bookkeeper? Is this the pathway that you would like to go? Because it takes passion to do bookkeeping. If you are a business owner or entrepreneur, then if you want to save a little bit of money to do your own bookkeeping, or maybe you want to enjoy the benefits of DIY bookkeeping by doing your own bookkeeping, then doing bookkeeping is not a question anymore. It's something that you should do to fully enjoy the benefits of DIY bookkeeping inside of your own business. But if you are just trying to look for a job, then Julieta, you need to understand this question is for your own good. If you're trying to look for a job, ask yourself, what is it that you would love to do for the next 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years down the road? What would you like to do? Because this is a big decision that you need to make right now. So if you are really keen in learning how to do bookkeeping, then you can join Master User Academy, where I will teach you and help you to do bookkeeping like a real bookkeeper. But I have one disclaimer though. My disclaimer is, inside of Master User Academy, I will be able to teach you how to do bookkeeping. What is the bookkeeping process? What you need to do next to complete your accounts, and how to complete your accounts monthly, and how to complete your accounts annually. All of this, no doubt, you can learn inside of Master User Academy. And everything I will teach you how to do it inside of Xero Accounting. But one disclaimer is, I will not be teaching you about your local government's requirements, about your local government's law, and your local government's law, especially on sales tax. This is very, very important. If you are an entrepreneur or business owner, then you can easily engage an accountant or maybe an auditor to provide advice to you on this area about the local government's requirements and law, especially on sales tax. So if you're an entrepreneur or business owner, you can engage an accountant or your local auditor to provide this advice to you. But if you are a student or you are an aspiring bookkeeper, then you will, what you need to do is you have two options. You can learn by yourself, but this is going to be tough. You can learn by yourself, definitely. Just grab your local government's law and regulations and read every single line of it and make sure that you understand and master everything. Or you can also engage a service from the local accountant and auditor. This is going to be difficult for you because cost will be a problem for you unless you can, when you engage your future client, bookkeeping client, tell them upfront that you need them to engage a local accountant or auditor to provide advice to you because you are not an expert in that area. So if you are keen on learning bookkeeping, then you can, if you are keen to learn bookkeeping in order to provide bookkeeping services to earn some money, then this is my advice for you. But if you are an entrepreneur and business owner, I would strongly suggest that you learn to do bookkeeping for your own business so that you can enjoy the DIY bookkeeping benefits. Or maybe if you are an entrepreneur or business owner, you can also assign your staff or your employee to do the bookkeeping for you so that you can only focus on the reporting part so that you can read your financial reports like a pro and to learn what your business is trying to tell you from the financial reports and help you to make good business decisions for your business. All right? So type it in the live chat if you have any questions about Master User Academy, because Master User Academy is closing in the next 23 hours and I don't want you to miss this because we are starting soon. Our class is starting on 2nd of August, and that's why we are closing the doors in just the next 23 hours so that we can close the door and we can prepare everything to get our new students in on 2nd of August. And once on the 2nd of August, we will be fully focused on supporting you, our new student, to go through the course as quickly as possible. We are there to help you go through the whole thing as soon as possible. All right? Okay, next, let me know in the live chat, do you have any question about Master User Academy? All right. Just type it in the live chat if you have any question, then I will go through it with you. Okay, the next question is this one. The next question that I have prepared for you, because I have been receiving this question a lot, is how long will it take me to get through your program? Do I get lifetime access? Well, Master User Academy is, as I've mentioned just now, Master User Academy is dripped over the span of 10 weeks. So I know that you may be busy, so I've designed Master User Academy to be your guide whenever you are ready to do bookkeeping for your business. When you are ready to do your bookkeeping, go through the course and do the bookkeeping tasks by following the step-by-step tutorials. But I do want you to know that Master User Academy modules will be gradually released to you over the span of 10 weeks. A module will be released every week except for the 2 implementation weeks where you will focus on implementing what you have learned, and it will be the time for you to catch up if you have not gone through the course yet. But don't worry about falling behind. You have lifetime access to the course and you can take your own time to go through the course. So let me know in the live chat, do you have any question about Master User Academy? If you have, just type it in the live chat. And if you are currently on the fence and considering about joining Master User Academy, just type it in the live chat so that we can go through all of your questions. Because I don't want you to be still dabbling on whether I want to join, but I don't want to join, but I don't want you to be dabbling whether you want to join or you don't want to join. I want you to make a decision right now whether Master User Academy is the program that is right for you, or maybe that is the program that is suitable for you right at this moment. All right? So if you are interested to join Master User Academy, you can just head on over to nutsaccounting.com/200 to join, and you can also read all the details about Master User Academy there, and also you can join Master User Academy. When you join Master User Academy, there is 2 options for you. Right now, we have a one-pay option where you will only need to pay $497 to join Master User Academy, where you will also get a special bonus when you pay in full. And if you are tight on the budget at the moment and you still want to join Master User Academy, you can go for the option 2, where you can join Master User Academy for only $273 for the first payment. And the second payment will be 1 month later of the same amount, $273. So just pick and choose which option is right for you. And I have also prepared a live chat there. If you have any question about Master User Academy, you can use the live chat bubble at the bottom right corner, and I will be able to answer all of your questions there. But if you go over right now, I won't be there because I am here with you. This is better. So you can type in your live chat and type in your question in the live chat so that I can immediately answer all of your questions. All right. Just type it in the live chat if you have any question about Master User Academy. Okay. There's something that I would like to talk to you about. Wait, let me pull this up. Hold on, just give me a minute. Okay. If you are on the fence right now about joining Master User Academy, I have something that I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you about some of the reasons that you might be still on the fence right now. Maybe you are thinking about you don't have time, or maybe the most important question of all, you might be thinking about money. First, let's talk about the money. If you're thinking $500 is a lot of money and I just don't know, and if right now you are thinking that $500 is a lot of money and I don't know if I can afford it right now. Well, let's get honest and be real about it, all right? Okay, if you invest in the program and it may cause you to have a lot of difficulty in maybe you cannot pay your rent, or maybe you cannot pay your mortgage for this month, or maybe your car loan for this month, or maybe it's just difficult, it's going to be difficult for you to put food on the table for your family. If this is all the reason, if these are all the reasons that you are not joining Master User Academy right now because of all this money issue, then I will tell you this is not the right time for you to join Master User Academy. If you can't put food on the table, don't join, because the most important thing is to put food on the table and to feed your family and to pay your rent and your mortgage, right? But if you are however, if you join Master User Academy, and it means if you need to get a little creative and resourceful, like maybe taking on one extra client, or maybe doing a little less eating out, or maybe making a few sacrifices in terms of your expenses in order to be able to join Master User Academy and realize your dream of doing bookkeeping like a pro, then I actually love that you join Master User Academy and be a little creative and resourceful. And of course, I want you to make this investment means a little more to you so that you can be fully committed into Master User Academy and really get everything out of Master User Academy and achieve your dream and do bookkeeping like a pro. So let me tell you a story about my own journey. When I made my first really big investment in my business, I invested a few $1,000s to learn all about the right way to create an epic and awesome online course for you, which is the course that I've created right now, Master User Academy. So even before I started making money, I've already spent a few $1,000s to learn exactly the right way, or the correct ways to create this awesome online course called Master User Academy for you. So it was a lot of money to me, especially at that time, because as I told you, I haven't even started making any money yet, which means there's no income at all. And what I did is I got a little creative and resourceful, and I took in some clients. And of course, I cut down a lot of expenses to make it happen. And I'm so glad that I did it, because I want that for you as well. When you really put a little sacrifice into the thing that you are hoping to achieve, like your dream, it will make the journey more meaningful to you. At the end of the day, when you achieve your goal, when you achieve the dream, then you will feel like all of the sacrifices that you made really mean it. I mean, it really means something to you right now once that you have achieved that dream and that goal. So if you're excited, but you are just feeling a little nervous about joining Master User Academy, I want to tell you that that is normal. It's normal to feel excited and also nervous at the same time. That's the same for me when I joined the course from my mentor. So, because let me share with you. At that point of time before I joined, I know that that course is going to help me. I know that that course is going to help you as my student. You will benefit from the course, from what I sacrifice. It's like my sacrifice, my little sacrifice and my little resourcefulness in getting more clients and trying to earn a little bit more money, to find that money to join that course from my mentor. Now everything has a meaning to it already. Everything is so worth it when I know that I have done a great job in creating this online course for you, and I fully believe, 100%, 1000% believe that this course is going to help you. It's 100% going to help you as long as you fully committed into the course and do all the work that I told you about. If you do everything and you go through the course with me, I know that you will achieve everything that I promise about this course, that you will learn how to do bookkeeping like a pro, you will learn how to use Xero Accounting, and you will learn how to read your financial reports like a pro as well. So at the end of the journey right now, when I fully completed my own course, and now that I've created this online course for you, I know that everything is worth it. All the little sacrifices that I made, it's all worth it. Because at the end of the day, I want to help you. And this is what's going to help me help you. This is the vehicle, the mode of transport of my knowledge into your brain. It's like, this is the thing that how I'm going to transport my knowledge into your knowledge. It's like plugging a USB into my brain and plugging a USB into your brain, right? So it's like transferring the data from my brain to your brain. So Master User Academy is that USB cable. If you want to learn how to do bookkeeping like a pro, just like me, how I do my own bookkeeping and how I do bookkeeping for my clients for the past decade, then get this USB cable that I have created for you, because this is everything that I have that I can teach you. So just get Master User Academy and go through the course and do everything that's in the course, and you will be doing bookkeeping as well. So okay. One thing that I want to tell you is, I don't want you to be like, after 6 months down the road or 1 year later, I don't want you to feel like, yeah, I should have joined Sharon's course sooner. I should have joined Master User Academy sooner. Look where I am today, 6 months already and 1 year already, and I am still stuck at the same place when I heard about Master User Academy for the first time. I don't want this to happen to you, because I personally have gone through that kind of regret moments a lot of time, where I really wish that I had made it possible sooner, where I will be able to fast track my own progress sooner. Like if I had joined my mentor's course 5 years ago, you could have learned my course, Master User Academy, 5 years ago from now. So I really regretted about not starting sooner. I really have this kind of regret moments, and I don't want this to happen to you. This is something that I truly speak from my heart, that I don't want this kind of regret moments to happen to you as well. So since I have gone through all of the regret moments, all of the bad things, let me shoulder everything and let you have all the shortcuts so that you can do bookkeeping like a pro as fast as possible, as soon as possible, within 10 weeks. So type it in the live chat. Do you have any question about Master User Academy? Or maybe what is your question, or what is your doubt about joining Master User Academy at this moment? And even if you are joining us on the replay, if you have any question about Master User Academy, you can always go to nutsaccounting.com/200 that I have put it in the banner beneath this video here. You can go to nutsaccounting.com/200 and I will be there in the live chat to talk to you about Master User Academy and to answer all of your questions if you have them. And Master User Academy is closing in the next 23 hours. Okay, maybe it's 22 hours and a half right now. So in the next 22 hours and a half, Master User Academy is going to close soon. So if you are still thinking about joining Master User Academy to learn how to do bookkeeping like a pro this year, then Master User Academy is the course for you. Don't wait, head on over and sign up now. And one thing that I want to tell you about Master User Academy is, there is a refund policy for Master User Academy. So if you join Master User Academy and if you are not satisfied or you are not happy about it, you have 30 days to decide if you want to be fully committed into Master User Academy. So you will get 30 days risk-free money-back guarantee. You can try Master User Academy for 30 days, and if you don't like it, just let me know and I'll gladly give you a refund. What I'm going to teach you in Master User Academy is the exact bookkeeping process that I've been using for more than a decade now to do bookkeeping for my clients. I'm absolutely confident that Master User Academy can help you to master bookkeeping and read your financial reports like a pro so that you can grow your business faster. Just give it a try, and if you don't like it, just let me know and I'll gladly give you a refund. So type it in the live chat if you have any question about Master User Academy. All right. The next question that I have prepared for you is, do I have to buy now? This question comes up a lot. Yes. Right now, Master User Academy is open for enrollment for our August intake, and it's going to close. The last day for you to enroll in this intake is 30th July. Is 29th July, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. Yeah. The course will officially start on 2nd August. So you will only get to enjoy all of the special bonuses, the limited time bonuses, according to the time that is specifically mentioned in the website of nutsaccounting.com/200. If you have been trying to learn bookkeeping on your own from Google for a while now, I don't want you to waste any more time trying to learn bits and pieces everywhere. Your time is better spent on growing your business or spending quality time with your loved ones. I have specially created Master User Academy for you as your shortcut to finally master bookkeeping the easy way by just following the step-by-step tutorials. Well, the next question is, will I be able to ask you questions if I get stuck? Okay, Master User Society, when you join Master User Academy, you will be getting a special bonus from me, which is Master User Society. Master User Society coaching program is where you will get live coaching and accountability call and live Q&A session with me to help you fast-track your Master User learning journey. You'll be getting 1 month subscription to Master User Society as a bonus for today's offer, but of course you can stay in the coaching program for as long as you need it. You don't need to learn this alone. Your fellow classmates and I will be with you along your Master User learning journey inside of Master User Society. So if you have any question, if you're just joining us, what we are trying to say here is Master User Academy is closing very soon, within the next 22 hours. So if you do have any question about Master User Academy, or maybe you are still on the fence right now, just type it in, all of your questions, into the live chat. Or maybe if you're watching on the replay, you can head on over to nutsaccounting.com/200, where I'll be able to answer all of your questions and to help you get through all the hurdles and also all of the doubts that you have right now about joining Master User Academy. Just type it in the live chat and I'll be able to help you to go through it. Okay, the next question. Okay, the next question is, my business sells products, services, or both products and services. So is this course suitable for my business? Yes, you will learn what are the bookkeeping tasks for your business, no matter if you are selling products, services, or both of it. There are a few dedicated lessons for product-based business. So if you are a service-based business, I would tell you to skip the lessons as it is not relevant for you. The rest of the bookkeeping tasks are the same for both product-based business and service-based business. Okay. All right. The next question is the course presented live? So if you're just joining us, we are talking about Master User Academy. This is a Q&A session about Master User Academy. If you have any question about joining Master User Academy, just type it in the live chat and I will help you to go through all of your questions. And you can enroll into Master User Academy at the link below here, nutsaccounting.com/200. Yeah, it's scrolling here. Yes, can you see it? Hi, Mugunadan. Hello to you. Welcome. Nice to meet you. I see you again. All right. Mungunadan, do you have any? Yes, you have connect. Yes, nice to. I'm glad to see you here today. Do you have any question about joining Master User Academy? Because the doors to Master User Academy is closing soon in 22 hours. So if you are keen to join Master User Academy to learn all about how to do bookkeeping and how to use Xero Accounting and also how to read your financial reports like a pro, just type it in the live chat. What is holding you back right now? If you are on the fence, I want you to type in the live chat, I'm on the fence because ... So no matter what question that is holding you back right now, whatever question that you have in your mind right now about joining Master User Academy, I want you to know that I'm here for you and I'm here to help you to do bookkeeping like a pro. So my Master User Academy course is the way that I help you, is the vehicle that I use to help you to master your bookkeeping. So if you have any question about joining Master User Academy, just type it in the live chat. If not, you can head on over to nutsaccounting.com/200 to read more about Master User Academy. Everything is in the page there, nutsaccounting.com/200. And you can learn all about what's offered in the course, what is covered in the course, what are the bonuses that I have prepared for you. Everything is written there for you. So let me know in the live chat, do you have any questions about joining Master User Academy? All right. Okay, I have prepared some questions that I've been answering. For the past 2 weeks, because for the past 2 weeks we have been running our live masterclass where we teach you all about how to complete your bookkeeping correctly, how to complete your accounts correctly ahead of tax time. And this masterclass was offered to Xero Accounting users only because we are launching our course for Xero Accounting. Right now, this course is only available for Xero Accounting, and later on, maybe a few months later, we will have another course for Wave Accounting. So stay tuned if you are a Wave Accounting user. All right. Okay. The next question is this one. I've tried learning bookkeeping or accounting before, but I just couldn't understand it. How will this course be different? Well, I totally get you. If you have this question running in your head right now, I totally get you. This is the reason that I created Master User Academy for you. This so that everything that I know about accounting, bookkeeping, and Xero Accounting can be easily presented to you so that you can learn it easily and quickly to get you started doing bookkeeping correctly. All the lessons will be presented in simple English and every video is less than 10 minutes long. You will only learn what you need to know. No more, no less. This is my promise to you, so that you will not get confused by all the unnecessary knowledge. So instead of wasting your brain power and memory on accounting principles and rules such as debits, credits, or maybe the journals and all those kind of things, you don't need to worry about that. Or maybe depreciation, straight line depreciation, or the reduction balance depreciation. You don't need any of that, all right? Everything I will teach you in the step-by-step tutorial, and all of these accounting principles and rules, I will seamlessly integrate it into your tutorials so that you don't even realize that you've been following all of the accounting principles and rules, because all you know is you are just following the step-by-step tutorials. But actually, all of them has been seamlessly integrated into your tutorials. So you don't need to learn and implement it because it has already been implemented for you inside of your tutorials. And then, in conclusion, I would say that Master User Academy is the exact opposite of what you are trying to learn traditionally, or the conventional way that you try to learn bookkeeping is, I want to learn how to do bookkeeping, or I want to learn accounting, right? So you will go for an accounting course or a bookkeeping course just to learn about accounting and bookkeeping. And at the same time, maybe you've decided to use Xero Accounting, and then you go and search for another course. I want to learn how to use Xero Accounting. So when you have this kind of two different courses that you've learned, all of this knowledge is in your brain. You need to take what you have learned inside of your accounting and bookkeeping course and try to implement what you have learned inside of your Xero Accounting. And this is not easy. I can tell you this is not easy. Especially if you are not an accountant, this is going to be very tough for you. So what I'm trying to do here is I've created a course, a Master User Academy course that combines all these two together into one simple course that you can just easily follow along all the step-by-step tutorials so that you can start doing bookkeeping immediately by the time you learn. As long as you learn the lesson and do the first tutorial, you'll be doing bookkeeping already. This is my promise to you. All right, so this Master User Academy course is totally different. It's the exact opposite. It's not something that you can find in the market right now, because this is something that I have created based on my own experience of seeing a lot of entrepreneurs and business owners trying to learn on your own and trying to do your own bookkeeping for a while now. So I know that it has been difficult for you. I know that it's not easy for you to learn and also to do bookkeeping and also to run your business at the same time. So that's why I want to help you, to give you this shortcut to take these two things away from your plate. The learning about accounting and learning about Xero Accounting. Let me take these two away from you and to combine this into one simple shortcut that you can follow the step-by-step tutorials just like a recipe book. So maybe I should change the name to Master User Academy Recipe Book, right? Because my concept is if you have been following me on Instagram for a while now, you may be seeing me sometimes occasionally posting a little of my cooking journey or baking journey. Okay, to be frank with you, I do not know how to cook at all, like 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Before all this pandemic starts, I do not know how to cook. So what happens is I keep learning from tutorials, from YouTube videos, and then I have some recipe books that I've been following along. So what I did is, because I didn't went to culinary school, I didn't learn cooking, right? But I'm trying to cook a certain 1 or 2 dishes to feed me and my family during the pandemic, because we can't be going out under the lockdown situation. So what's happening is I pull up all the recipe from the recipe book and from the YouTube videos. What I did is I follow the step-by-step tutorials. So I follow all of sorry, that is not tutorial, it's the step-by-step instructions inside the recipe. So what I did is I just follow along all of the recipe, the step-by-step instructions in the recipe. And by the end of it, I'm able to create a dish. I'm able to cook the dish out. It's like, doesn't matter if it really tastes good or it doesn't taste as good as what it looks like, right? But as long as I'm able to cook it out. So this is where I get the idea of doing my own course, Master User Academy, in the format like a recipe book, where you will have all of the recipes with the step-by-step instructions ready for you whenever you are ready to do your own bookkeeping. All you need to do is just like cooking. All you need to do is just what you want to cook, pull out the recipe from the book, and then follow the instructions there. The same for Master User Academy. What you want to do for your bookkeeping, okay, you want to record your customer invoice, all right. So go to Master User Academy, pull out that particular tutorial, step-by-step tutorial, and follow all the step-by-step instructions inside of the Master User Academy tutorial. Then you'll be recording your customer invoice, or maybe your supplier invoice, or even the most complicated things like your fixed asset depreciation journal or your inventory journal. All of this I will cover inside your Master User Academy course for you. So by the end of the Module 8 is the high level, the advanced user will be going to, the super user, where you will be able to learn how to close your accounts monthly and annually like a real bookkeeper. So rather than waiting for your accountant to close your accounts for you on an annual basis, then only you'll be able to see your financial reports. Why not close your own accounts like a real bookkeeper? Let me teach you and guide you what I do when I close my clients' accounts on a monthly basis or an annual basis, where everything that I do, like the inventory journal, the payroll journal, the fixed assets depreciation, how to calculate your fixed assets depreciation, everything I will teach you inside Master User Academy. So this is the full, complete accounting and bookkeeping process that you can learn inside of Master User Academy. And everything is easy for you to learn because I teach it in simple English just like this. I'm not going to add in any accounting jargons unless there's no other names that I can name it, just like depreciation, right? Unless there's other names that I can come up, then I will give it a simple name. But if there's no other names, then I will have to use that name. Unless that particular kind of situation, all other things is presented in a very simple step-by-step instruction for you. Everything is explained in simple English, and the video lessons are very short, and you can go through the video lessons very fast because all of the video lessons is less than 10 minutes long. And by the time you complete the video lesson, then it's the time for you to do the work. So what you need to do is I have prepared the action plan for you. Step 1, do this, watch the video. Step 2, grab this tutorial from here. and then follow along the step-by-step instruction to record your first customer invoice. And then you'll be able to generate the report. So all of this is in a step-by-step format for you. So don't worry about not knowing about any accounting knowledge, or you don't have an accounting degree, or you totally don't know accounting at all, and this is the first time that you are trying to do accounts, or maybe you do not know anything at all about accounting. All of this, you do not need to worry. I will teach you inside Master User Academy. All you need to do is believe in yourself, believe in your capability that you can become a master user, that you can do bookkeeping like a pro, and you can read financial reports like a pro, even if you do not have an accounting degree or any professional qualification. What I ask of you is to believe in yourself and to give yourself a chance, give yourself 30 days chance to be transformed into a master user, to be transformed into a bookkeeping expert, to really do bookkeeping like a real bookkeeper. Well, this is what I ask of you. And what I ask of you is to believe in me as your mentor and your guide and your coach, and to coach you throughout your whole master user learning journey. Let me be there for you, let me be with you, and let me witness your transformation so that I can share your story, your success story with the rest of the world, because I want to see you succeed. This is the reason why I created Master User Academy. The only reason that I created Master User Academy is to help you to become a real bookkeeper, like a real bookkeeper, is to help you to do your own bookkeeping and enjoy all of the DIY benefits for your business and for yourself as an entrepreneur or business owner. So if you have been doing bookkeeping so far, but maybe you still have a lot of questions about how to do bookkeeping correctly, or maybe you are trying to dabble a little bit here and there, but you know that there's still a lot of things to do in order to complete a full set of accounts, this is the time that you join Master User Academy. Head on over to nutscounting.com/200 and check out all the details about Master User Academy. If you have any question about joining Master User Academy, or maybe you are on the fence right now, just type it in the live chat. I'm on the fence because... Just type it in the live chat if you have any question about Master User Academy, or maybe you have a little doubts that's currently running through your head right now that is holding you back from joining Master User Academy. I want to share with you something. I want to share with you something about Master User Academy. Master User Academy comes with 30 days risk-free money-back guarantee. All I ask of you is to believe in yourself, give yourself 30 days to try and learn everything in Master User Academy and see results from learning from Master User Academy. Master User Academy can really help you to do bookkeeping like a real bookkeeper. All I ask is give it a try for 30 days. If within the 30 days, you feel like you don't like it, or maybe you don't like how the course is being presented, or maybe you don't see results at all, then contact me and I'll be giving you a full refund. I don't want to hold your money. I know that you have a lot of worry about me holding your money, or me scamming your money, or maybe this is a fraud, like this is too good to be true. But this is exactly what I'm sharing. It's like, have you heard about SOP, Standard Operating Procedure, where businesses should use SOP to write down all of the steps, all of the instructions on how to do a certain process, so that the successor will be able to do exactly the same work by just following the SOP. This is a good process that you should be implementing in your business as well. So Consider Master User Academy is my SOP for you. So you are my successor right now. I've written the SOP for you inside Master User Academy, and all you need to do is just follow exactly the whole step-by-step instruction inside of Master User Academy in order to do your own bookkeeping for your own business. So let me know in the live chat, do you have any question about Master User Academy? Just type it in, or you can head on over to nutscounting.com/200 to learn all about Master User Academy, specializing in Xero Accounting. All right, let me know in the live chat, do you have any question right now? Okay. All right. I have prepared some question for you. And the next question is, will this course teach third-party apps for Xero Accounting? So I want to tell you is no, we will not cover third-party apps inside of the Master User Academy program. The course is only covering tutorials on Xero Accounting. But I have a secret to share with you. I'm planning to add on a special bonus mini course on Xero expenses, which will be added into Master User Society's coaching program in the future. So there is a certain plan about adding on additional tutorials on other features of Xero Accounting. So stay tuned for that. All right, the next question that I would like to share with you is, will you be there to answer my questions after the 1-month subscription to Master User Society ends? Okay, if you are just joining us now, what we are talking right now is about Master User Academy program. Master User Academy program is closing within the next 22 hours. You only have the next 22 hours to join Master User Academy program, and the link to join is nutscounting.com/200. The link to join is below this banner here. So when you join Master User Academy program, I have a special bonus that I've included into Master User Academy, which is 1-month subscription to the Master User Society coaching program. So let me share with you what is Master User Society. Master User Society coaching program is an exclusive private Facebook group, exclusive group for Master User Academy students only, where you will get to have monthly live Q&A call with me, and you will get to have monthly live accountability call and coaching call with me. So this is an ongoing coaching program. So even if Master User Academy courses have already ended, have already been fully released by the end of 10 weeks, you will still be able to interact with me and get your coaching from me from the Master User Society ongoing coaching program. So if you still have any questions about Master User Academy after the 1-month subscription, the bonus 1-month subscription ends, you will still be able to continue on the Master User Society coaching program. So Master User Society private group is your ongoing coaching with me to help you fast track your progress through your Master User learning journey. You can stay in the program for as long as you need it. All you need to do is just hop into your Master User Society group and ask your questions, and I will help you to get unstuck and answer all of your questions. So join Master User Academy now at nutscounting.com/200. And if you have any question about Master User Academy, just type it in the live chat. All right. So do you have any questions about Master User Academy? Just type it in the live chat so that we can go through it together. Because I really don't want you to miss out on this program. It's going to close in 22 hours. So yeah, it's going to close in 22 hours, and we are not going to open so soon because we want to be fully focused with our students' progress, so that we can help our student, the August intake student, to really experience the whole Master User Academy program and to get real results, so that we can share their results with you next time. So if you want to get results within the next month, join into Master User Academy at nutsaccounting.com/200 so that you can be you can do bookkeeping like a real bookkeeper within the next 10 weeks. Okay, the next question that I have prepared for you is, okay, it's a little sensitive question about money. Okay, this course is expensive. Why is that so? All right, I do get some question that especially from a certain section of our audience from the Asia country. They say that the cost is $497 and it's a little expensive. So they are asking, why is that expensive? When I see Udemy courses, it's only like $20, less than $20 maybe. Yeah. So I want to share with you something. The conventional way of learning accounting is by taking an accounting degree for 3 years, which usually costs around $30,000. All right, $30,000. And when you graduate from your university, you will only have the theory of how to do accounting, and you will still need to spend another 3 to 5 years to figure out yourself how to apply what you've learned into the real world. So this is the part where I've told you about, where you will need to figure things out yourself on how to apply what you have learned about accounting and bookkeeping and how to apply it into the real world and do it inside of your accounting software. So in total, what I've shared with you is in total, you will need to spend at least 6 years and $30,000 to finally master bookkeeping and do bookkeeping like a pro. So instead of 6 years and $30,000, you can now master bookkeeping with just 10 weeks and $497. From what I see, this is a super duper no-brainer deal for you, because instead of 6 years, now it's only 10 weeks, right? This is already a very, very good shortcut. So it's like, if you want to travel to a certain country, like for example, if you are from Canada and you want to travel to US, you have a lot of options. You can travel by foot, you can walk, or you can drive a motorcycle, or maybe a bicycle, or maybe a car, or you can also take a plane, or you can, so there are a lot of options that you can choose to go from point A to point B. So it's the same as your, when you are trying to learn something, it's the same as well. There's a lot of option for you. You can walk, definitely you can reach there. If you choose to walk, you can definitely reach there, just that it may take you a long time and it's going to tire you out. And I don't know, maybe it takes you like a year to walk from Canada to US. I don't know. I never walked there before. But it will definitely, the fastest way definitely, of course, is taking a plane, right? So taking a plane is the fastest way. But how much does it cost? Of course, the shortest route, the shortest and fastest way is always going to cost you more, right? So instead of, like if you walk, it's free. Your cost is zero, it's free, but it's going to take you longer. Your time is long. The time that you need to take is longer, but then the cost is free, it's zero. If you go by car, maybe the cost is not as expensive as taking a plane, but then it's certainly going to be faster than walking, right? And of course, it's certainly going to be slower than taking a plane. And if you take a plane, of course, the cost is the most expensive one of all these 3 options. And if you take a plane, it's going to be the fastest one of all. So in the same analogy inside of how you can learn to do bookkeeping like a pro, what you are trying to do is, instead of instead of learning by yourself, the free way is, of course, learn by yourself, by books, by this and that. There's a lot of ways that you can learn things. There's a lot of things in Google, but you need to know what you need to learn. You need to know where to learn it, and you need to know, and in terms of Google, everyone can post everything, anything at all in the internet right now. So you need to know what is right and what is wrong. You don't want to learn the wrong things. So if it is the free way, you can learn by yourself, but definitely the time is going to take you the longest of all three options. The second option is you can go to a university and get an accounting degree from the university, and it's going to cost you 30,000 and also 3 years of your time in the university course to learn everything, and also to spend another 3 to 5 years on the job experience. It's like you still need to have another 3 to 5 years to learn on the job of how to do bookkeeping, because I can promise you, as a fresh graduate, when you come out to the real world to start doing bookkeeping, you are as fresh as a baby and you do not know how to do bookkeeping at all. Because what you have learned is theory. What you have learned is debit. When you create a customer invoice, what you learn in your accounting degree is you need to credit your sales, you need to debit your customer account. But by the time when you come out to work as a fresh graduate, you won't be able to find the debits and credits inside of the accounting system. You will need to learn how to create the customer invoice inside of the accounting system. So you need to spend another 3 to 5 years trying to figure things out. Sorry, you need to spend another 3 to 5 years trying to figure things out and learn how to do what you have learned. All right. And what I'm offering you is option 3, which is the fastest way, where you only need to spend 10 weeks. But it is not the most expensive way, because I'm not going to charge you more than 30,000 for a 10 weeks course. That's going to be crazy, right? But if you compare this with taking a plane analogy, then the fastest way is supposed to be most expensive, right? But this fastest way that I'm offering you right now is only 10 weeks rather than 6 years. And it's going to cost you $497 instead of $30,000. So to me, I feel that this is already a super duper no-brainer deal. If somebody has offered this to me in the past, then I would be gladly taking it so that I can master this way, way, way faster than, bumping on so many walls along the way. So let me know in the live chat, do you have any question about Master User Academy? And if you would like to join Master User Academy, do join Master User Academy at nutsaccounting.com/200 before the enrollment closes 22 hours later. So in conclusion, actually, all I ask of you is just to give yourself the chance, to give yourself 30 days, a chance to try out Master User Academy and to really learn how to do bookkeeping like a pro, rather than still stumbling here and there, trying to learn here and there, which is going to be a huge time waster for you. So why not get the recipe book, get the shortcut, and do the bookkeeping immediately, rather than waiting for another few more months or few more weeks to try out by yourself. And I can tell you is, the sooner you get your accounts up to date, the sooner that you are able to complete your accounts on a monthly basis, the sooner that you will get the financial reports, the accurate financial reports of your business, so that you can start using the financial reports to see what it's trying to tell you inside of your business. Like, your financial reports is a gold mine. It contains a lot of gold information about your business. It's going to tell you how is your business performing. It's going to tell you how much cash do you have reserved right now. So I understand that when the pandemic started last year, This is a very, very famous question among entrepreneurs and business owners. What is my cash reserve right now? How long can I last without opening the doors to my store or my retail or running any business, right? This is the golden question that we get during last year's pandemic when it started to hit us around February and March. So when you have imagined at that point of time, when you have your accurate financial report that you can just click a button inside of your Xero Accounting and generate this report and immediately be able to see how much you are generating or how much cash reserve that you have right now for your business and how many more months that you can sustain, then it's going to be so much easier for you to make decision whether what are the things or what are the strategies that you need to try out, whether you need to get more clients to get more income, or whether you need to think of ways to make your cash reserve sustain longer, make your cash reserve last longer. Or maybe it's time for you to expand and to get more help so that it can help you relieve you away from certain tasks so that you can focus more on growing your business rather than doing all the things in your business. So when you have this kind of information, your financial reports, you can easily make this kind of decision to help you to really move the needle and to help you to bring your business from this level to this level. Because when you're operating in the dark, it's just like imagine, have you heard of something that's called eating in the dark, or something about some restaurant that offer you food while you are eating it in the dark, so that you can experience it like a blind person, that you can experience the food and really enjoy the taste of the food rather than the environment, right? So if currently you are not getting your financial reports monthly or accurate financial reports on a timely basis, then what you are doing right now is like eating in the dark. You are operating your business in the dark. That is not a healthy way for you to operate your business, because you wouldn't know what is the next step might be. You wouldn't know how your strategy that you have, like for example, if you have implemented a new strategy into your business, wouldn't you want to know whether your business performance have increased or your business performance have decreased, or maybe it's stagnant because of that new strategy? It's like when you try something out, like when you do an experiment, you want to know the results of the experiment, right? Whether do you still need to continue this particular strategy, or it's time for you to cut loss and move on to try another new strategy. So all this can only be done when you have your latest financial reports of your business whenever you need it. So this is the reason why that I'm so passionate about helping other entrepreneurs and business owners to catch up on their accounts, to do their own bookkeeping by using the DIY bookkeeping method, so that you can also know what is going on in your business right now, what is happening in your business, and also how you are performing right now for your business, and what is the next step that you need to do. Then you can make a better decision, a more strategic business decision based on your current financial report, your business's performance, and also your financial position, so that you can grow your business faster too. All right, let me know in the live chat if you have any question about Master User Academy. Don't forget that Master User Academy you can enroll at nutscounting.com/200, and the doors to Master User Academy is closing in the next 22 hours. All right, let me know in the live chat. Do you have any question about Master User Academy? If you are currently on the fence right now and you are not sure whether you want to join or you don't want to join Master User Academy, I want to share with you that the doors are closing in just 22 hours. So don't wait. If you're really keen and highly interested to get your accounts up to date so that you can get your accurate financial reports as soon as possible, just join Master User Academy at nutscounting.com/200, and the doors are closing in 22 hours. And don't forget that you have 30 days money back guarantee. So you can try out Master User Academy for 30 days and see if this course is the right fit for you. Okay, if you do not have any question, then I thank you for your time. Thank you for joining me today. And I hope that I will see you in Master User Academy. Our course is going to start on 2nd August, and our coaching call and accountability call will start next week. So head on over to nutscounting.com/200. If you still have any other question, I'll be there in the live chat so that you can always jump in there and chat with me if you have any question. If not, you can still read all the details about the course, about the bonuses, and everything that we have to offer inside Master User Academy at nutsaccounting.com/200. All right. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.